Hello, everyone. Welcome back. So I'm going to be walking through a simple mobile app that I made. And so we'll just jump right into it. So first I'll let you look at the design a little bit. So this is a meal plan app and it's written in Java. And so we have here the title, and then you have some inputs for dates, as well as inputs for being able to set your meal plan up. So it's just a quick look at that. And here's the code written for those widgets up on the screen there. And so we can scroll through and you have the different IDs for Monday meal, Tuesday meal, Monday, Tuesday, etc., all the way through. And so most of this is just pretty repetitive. It's mostly just for the widgets. So we can hop right over here to the main activity page. And so here are imports here. And so I'll open this up so we can take a look at things. So we have most of the stuff, the imports came automatically for this particular, all of these Android inputs, they automatically come in if you just select the blank template on the Android Studio, which is the IDE that I'm using. So the other ones that I'm using, so the Java IO file is for creating a file, Java IO file writer is for writing per file, and the IO exception throws an error if the file doesn't work. So pretty straightforward. So then we have the main activity class that it will start off in. And then we call each of the data types that I had previously shown you on all the widgets that are on the screen. And then the button that was on the bottom of the screen, we create its own method for that. And then we call all of the previous data types that were on the screen, all the previous widgets, and we create them, make them into callable variables. So there'll be strings. So whatever the user inputs, we'll be able to input that in. Then from there, we start a on click. So when the button is clicked, what does it do? And so it will call this create file. And so the create file will go over and create whatever file. So it'll create it in a document section on your phone, and it will create just a text file. And the format, the title of the file will be depending on the date that you input. And then it'll be it'll be meal plan with your date, .text. And then it will start off and it will put each of these things in. So I'll demonstrate that for you. So we will get right into that. Okay, so this is the way it looks when it's actually on the phone. So we can go over and go 3 dash, let's say, so 6, I think is Monday. So 23, do 3 dash, oops, 3 dash 12 dash 23. And then we can start inputting things. So we can go chili, and then we can say hot dogs. And then we can say we want to do a salad. And then let's say we don't know what we want for some of these other days. And then Sunday, we say we want to have a Sunday roast. So let's say that's all we decide to have for now. And then you can just save. And then from there, I'll show you how it pops up in the files. So we can go into the file section. We'll go into your internal files and go to the document section, like I said. And then the one that we just made should be this one. So 3, 6, 12. Let's double check. Yep, so chili, hot dog, salad, and a roast. And we skipped these 3 days. Some of these other ones are some other tests. See, I put pizza and pasta there. And so as you can see, the input doesn't have to be exactly the way that for the date doesn't have to be exactly the same. You could say that you just wanted to do the 6th through the 12th. or you can even say March 6th through 12th. You don't even need to say anything else. And then you have the chili hot dog salad roast, and then we can add some more things to it. We can say we want to do like a curry, and then let's say we want to do a hamburger, and let's say we do leftovers. Right. And we can save that. We can go back into our file, and this will create a new file because we changed the file name. As you can see, we have March 6th through 12th as the file name, meal plan for March 6th through 12th text. It says March 6th through 12th, and it has all the things there. Now, if we went back over into our meal plan and switch the date back to what we had originally said, so 3-6-23 and 3-12-23, and you save that, it will change the previous file to be exactly that 3, which is the one we just did. And so you can change it afterwards. And even if I went back and said that we changed our mind and we decided we didn't want to be as healthy, we didn't want salad, instead we want pizza, we can change that. And then right here, as you can see, the Wednesday salad got changed to pizza. So, and so that's the way it is right now. And so it's just a pretty basic meal plan, but it'll be helpful for you to be able to plan your things, and you'll be able to have your list of things on your phone whenever you need it. And you can add things whenever you feel like you're in the mood of something. So that's it. Thank you for coming. Feel free to comment if you have any questions about it. I'll post the code below, just the link to the repository in GitHub. And if there's any videos that you'd like to see, then let me know in the comments. Or if you have any comments about the code that I have written and you want to give me some tips on things that I could do, or if you have questions on why something is the way it is, let me know and I'll be able to explain it to you. So thank you.